Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at itinan natin ang energies ng inyong kaperahan, money, career, finances ngayong June 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your sun, moon, rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 3rd anniversary promo, 25% discount sa tarot reading services hanggang May 31, 2024. So, link on the description and sa pin comment, no? Kung gusto nyo mag-book. Okay, Virgo, let's see energies for your money, career, finances ngayong June. Let's see your overall energy. You have the 9 of Pentacles. Ang ganda ng energy nyo. Very masipag. Independent. Very productive. So there's also financial stability. Kaya naman, no, yung sipag nyo, yan nagbubunga rin, no? Let's see your possible challenge. You have the 5 of Wands. Pwedeng may mga misunderstanding around you. Pwedeng ikaw yung may involve or maiipit ka, no, sa dalawang situation na hindi nagkakaintindihan pagdating sa pera, pagdating sa trabaho or sa business. So, let's see your opportunity. Ano yung opportunity ng mga Virgo? What's the opportunity? Page of Pentacles. You have the opportunity to learn, to gain new knowledge. Maaring meron kang mga pag-aaralan ngayon, additional source of income. You may be investing sa stock market, or investing sa isang property. Yung iba sa inyo magsisimula ng isang negosyo, kahit na maliit lang yung puhunan, still, may potential yan na maging malaki, lumago in the future. Let's see your blessing. Ano yung blessing ng mga Virgo? Virgo blessing ngayong June. Uy, 3 of Swords. I feel like this is about healing, no? Kung meron ka mga disappointments in the past, mga taong pinagkatiwalaan mo, mga pinasok mong sources of income, investment, as a blessing, you are finally realizing na may mga bagay ka ring naging pagkukulang. At ang importante dyan, you are aware. Naging aware ka doon sa bad decisions mo. Kasi minsan, you know, may mga hindi nagiging successful sa mga endeavors nila, sa projects nila, trabaho or business is because of the decision na ginawa natin. Okay? So, ngayon, maaring you are healing from that, may awareness ka na, at least alam mo na, you have learned your lesson. What is the 9 of Pentacles? Ano tong 9 of Pentacles na to? What is the 9 of Pentacles? What is the 9 of Pentacles? Okay. The Knight of Cups. Okay. So, I feel like there is also an offer para sa'yo. This can be a job offer or a business offer coming from someone na malapit sa'yo, romantic partner, ganyan. Or someone who is very dear to you, like mahal sa buhay, no? Kamag-anak. Let's see your yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong mga admirers, no? Ina-admire kayo because of your situation ngayon. Nakikita nila na you are successful in your own right. You are successful in your career, you are independent. What is the 5 of Wands? Okay. 7 of Swords. So, ito na naman yung be careful. Be careful sa intentions ng ibang tao. Okay? Maaring sa ngayon, you are successful, you're doing well. Kaya lang pwede dito na merong lumapit sa iyo na merong hindi magandang intentions. This can be sa romantic, pwedeng business, okay, or sa investment. So maging maingat sa ganon. Usong-uso ngayon yung mga scam na yan na may i-offer na business opportunity, tapos yung iba nasisilaw sa ganon, naglalabas ng pera, akala nila malaking kikitain nila, in the end, boom, wala pala. So, do your due diligence, wag agad-agad magpapadala sa mabubulaklak na pananalita ng mga nag-o-offer na yan ng opportunities. Okay? Let's see the Page of Pentacles. What is this? What is the Page of Pentacles as an opportunity? The Tower. Oh. You have the opportunity to start something new. The Tower kasi is about crumbling. Yung parang merong may gumuho, no? Dun sa pagguho na yon, merong opportunity na magsimula muli. Example na lang yung mga buildings na sinasadyang i-demolish kasi hindi na safe na nakatayo yung building na yon. Okay? At pwedeng may paggagamitan sila ng lupa. So, may bagong itatayo, no? So, bago maitayo yon, kailangan meron mo nang sirain. So, pag naisip mo parang ang nega ng energy na yan, no? But, it happens, no? Meron talagang mga ganong sitwasyon na may kailangan mo nang mabuwag para may magsimula. Okay? So, what is the Three of Swords? What is the Three of Swords? You have the King of Swords, yes. I think you have learned a lot. Mas ka ngayon, metikuloso, mas matalino ka, mas maingat ka sa pagpili ng mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo, whether sa business man yan, sa trabaho, sa career mo, sa investments mo. You have learned from your past mistakes. That is your blessing. Kasi may mga taong hindi natututo sa mga mistakes nila in the past. Na instead na bumangon sila dun sa pagkakalugmok, lalo silang nababaon. Okay? So, but for you, you are wiser. You are stronger. Mas may structure yung buhay mo ngayon. Okay? Yun nga lang ha, medyo mag-ingat lang talaga sa paligid. Huwag mo hayaang maisahan ka nila. Let's see what else, Virgo. Health, ayan. Number 1 na bibigyan mo ng attention ngayong June is yung kalusugan mo. Health is wealth. Hindi tayo magiging productive kapag tayo ay may karamdaman, 'di ba? And magastos rin ang pagkakasakit. So, yung iba sa inyo, isa yan sa bibigyan nyo ng attention, knowledge. O like what I mentioned kanina, pag-aaral, pagre-research, mga bagong kaalaman, hindi natatapos ang pag-aaral sa school. Every day, we should learn something new para siyang pagkain rin ng brain natin, 'di ba? And then, courage, lakas ng loob na harapin ang challenges sa paligid mo. So, napansin ko lang yung mga numerology rito. Number 3 is about expansion, trying new things. Number 8 is about finding structure in your life. Discipline, no? Importante rin na disiplinado ka para ma-achieve mo yung goals mo. And number 1, which is number 10. 10 is number 1. New beginnings, new opportunities opening up sa'yo. Sa pamamagitan ng mga pag-aaralan mo. Let's say nag-aral kang paano mag-edit ng video. O yung video editing skill na yon, pwede mo nang i-offer na services sa iba na hindi nila kayang mag-edit ng videos nila. And you will earn from that. So, meron kang mga plans na pwedeng hindi mo muna itutuloy dahil maaring marirealize mo na hindi pa ito tamang panahon, hindi pa siya realistic. Oo. Hindi pa siya practical na gawin. So, some of you you're going with the flow. Kung saan kayo dalhin ng tadhana, kung saan sa tingin nyo mas merong opportunity, you will go there. Meron mang mga bagay na hindi matutuloy, pero lagi nyong isipin yung mga ganon. It's a blessing in disguise. It's a redirection. Okay? Find comfort and balance in simple ways. You have support all around you. So, there are also people supporting you. Hindi ka nag-iisa. Merong mga willing to help you. Just also, kailangan open ka rin na tumanggap ng tulong. 'Di ba? You will soon enter into a beneficial partnership. Luck and longevity bless this union. So, some of you, business partnership to or contract signing ngayong June. Step forward now and sing your song. There is power in finding your voice. So, kumbaga, gagawin mo yung gusto mo. Doing it in your own way, not in others' way. Let go of convention and follow your own unique path. Ayan. So, hindi mo kailangang ikumpara yung sarili mo, yung journey mo sa iba. Kasi, kanya-kanya tayo. We have our own unique path. Okay? So, that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. Bye!